everyone, welcome back to our channel, and for today we're going to discuss the fifth part of speech, which is the adverb. Before going to the content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't be missing anything when we upload a new video. Adverb, taken from Oxford Learner's Dictionary, is a word that adds more information about place, time, manner, cause or degree to a verb, an adjective, a phrase, or another adverb. To make it simple, adverb explains the verb more or express the state of something being done more. And for today's video, we're going to tell you about four types of adverbs, which are frequency, place, time, and also manner. The first one is adverb of frequency. It tells you how often an action is being done. For example, to the left side, you can see that John often runs in the morning. John often runs in the morning. What is the adverb of frequency? It's the word often. And then the second one on the right, it says that he always sleeps at 10 o'clock. He always sleeps at 10 o'clock. The adverb of frequency is always. As you can see in the screen, we have already put the types of adverb of frequency based on the frequency themselves. For example, always being the biggest font on your screen is 100%, like you do it every time. Getting smaller a little bit is usually, we can say it's 90%, generally around 80, often 70, and finally never, being 0%. So it never being done before. For example, I never eat any seafood because I'm allergic. The second one is the adverb of place. Adverb of place usually started with a preposition. For example, in this example, she plays volleyball at the beach. The adverb of place is at the beach. Or we are going to set a camp at a mountain. We are going to set a camp at a mountain. The adverb of place is at the mountain. The next one is adverb of time. Similar to adverb of place, usually adverb of time also begin with a preposition of time. For example, Mary loves to read books in the evening. Mary loves to read books in the evening. Or Johnny paints every Sunday. Johnny paints every Sunday. For the second example, the adverb of time is every Sunday, and the first one is in the evening. And finally, the last type of adverb of frequency is the last type of the adverb is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner is quite easy to identify because they usually ended with the word with the letters ly or li. So you just pick an adjective and then put li after that. Happily, beautifully, handsomely, or sadly. And on these examples, and as you can see, the first one is they sing the song beautifully. Beautifully is the adverb of manner. And the second one is I always eat happily. Happily is the adverb of manner. So everyone, we guess that's the end of our video. But again, adverb is the word to modify the verb or to put more information to a sentence or to a verb. And we have discussed four types of adverb for today: frequency, place, time, and also for manner. In case you have further questions about our video or our content, feel free to contact us on Instagram or by leaving a comment down below. And to reach us through our social media, kindly click the description box because we have listed our contacts there. Until the next video, we wish you the best of luck. Take care of your health and bye bye.